Welcome to the world of industrial processing of smoked sausages. In this highly automated and efficient facility, sausages are processed and smoked to perfection. Smoked sausage is a classic staple in many cuisines around the world. It is a flavorful and versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner. Smoked sausage is made from a combination of meat, fat, and spices that are stuffed into casings and then smoked to perfection. The process of making smoked sausage is a delicate art that requires precision, patience, and attention to detail. The journey of these sausages begins with the careful selection of high-quality meat. The quality of the meat and the spices used will determine the flavor of the sausage. The meat is then mixed with a special blend of spices and seasonings to create the perfect flavor profile. The meat and spice mixture is then fed into a grinder where it is finely ground and prepared for the next stage of the process. Next, the ground meat is fed into a sausage filling machine where it is shaped into the classic cylindrical shape we all know and love. Sausages come in all shapes and sizes, but what sets a great sausage apart from a good one is the casing. The casing is the outer layer that holds the meat together, and the best sausages use natural casings. Natural casings are made from animal intestines that have been cleaned, processed, and prepared for use as sausage casings. These casings provide a unique texture and flavor to the sausage that cannot be replicated with synthetic casings. To create the perfect sausage, the natural casing must be prepared properly. One key step in this process is deepening the natural casings. Deepening the natural casings involves soaking them in water to soften them up and make them more pliable. Once the casings have been deepened, the butcher can begin stuffing the sausage meat into them. This is done by carefully feeding the meat mixture into the casing, ensuring that the casing is filled evenly and tightly. After the sausages have been stuffed, they are typically twisted or tied off into individual links. This not only makes the sausages easier to handle, but also gives them a classic look that is instantly recognizable. Once the sausages have been formed, they are hung in the smokehouse. This is where the real magic happens. Inside the smokehouse, the sausages are slowly smoked for several hours, allowing their flavors to develop and intensify. After the smoking process is complete, the sausages are carefully inspected by our highly trained quality control team to ensure that each and every sausage meets our strict standards for quality and taste. Finally, the sausages are packaged and prepared for shipment to grocery stores and restaurants all around the world. And there you have it, the industrial processing of smoked sausages. From the careful selection of high-quality meat, to the perfect blend of spices and seasonings, to the slow smoking process that creates the signature flavor, each step is carefully crafted to ensure that you get the very best sausage possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of industrial sausage processing.